So I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to your video. It can be any kind of video, and we're going to use auto-generated subtitles. Like, you don't need to type anything, it will be auto-generated. For this method, you have to download CapCut, the desktop version. So just go to Google and search CapCut download. You'll find this link, CapCut desktop. Just click on this link and click on download for free. It will be all automatically downloaded onto your PC, and after that you just have to install it. I already have installed, so I'm gonna just open it right away and click on new project and import the file. Like, I'm gonna use this video for example. Change your aspect ratio, I'm using 16:9, and add this video to your timeline. To make it quicker, I'm gonna just shrink the video, and all you have to do is click the video, go to text and search for auto caption, and just create. I'm selecting English, you can select any other language. It almost worked for almost 95% language in the world. And here you can see the auto captions are already ready. Let me play it for you.
Now, one of the debates you hear on the minimum wage, for instance, is that increases in...
See, it is done. And you can also change the settings, like it's already be selected. I can select all of that and I can change the font. Like, let's use pop-ins. You can increase the size. You can use glow, background, anything you want. After that, all you have to do is just export and select a destination. I'm gonna select desktop and click export.
Now, one of the debates you hear on...
And just close it. And
now, one of the debates you hear on the minimum wage, for instance, is that increases in the...
See, it's super easy, and that's how you add auto-generated captions.